Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I am going to teach you how you can play chess with friends in your mobile device. So make sure that you stay at the end of the video and follow the steps at your own time and not miss any steps or any important steps. So let's get on it. So what I'm going to teach you, or the way that I am going to teach you, your option I'm going to teach you, is playing chess on chess.com through your mobile device. So after going to the chess.com using your mobile device, what you can do is first tap onto the new game on the home screen to get the new game menu. And then after that, just tap onto the play a friend right here on your chess.com. And then in the next menu, you can choose which of your friends to challenge, or if you know the username of someone you want to challenge, type it in the username field. And then you can also invite friends from this screen. And then once you've picked your opponent, you will be taken back to the custom game screen. And you will now see your friend's name as your opponent. And when you have all the settings as you like them and are ready, just simply tap the play and your friend will receive an information of your challenge. So when when they accept the game will start. And that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.